Ever danced with someone so versatile they could salsa, tango, and swing? Industrial properties are the real estate market's triple threat: warehouses, factories, and distribution centers, each with its own rhythm and role. Just as different dances require unique skills and environments, industrial properties come in varied forms, each tailored to specific functions that are crucial in our global economy. Today, we will troll through these types, understanding their unique characteristics and the dance floor they best perform on. Think of warehouses as the slow dance of real estate: steady, spacious, and essential. These facilities are primarily used for storing goods, everything from your latest online shopping spree to essential raw materials waiting for their turn in the production line. Their design focuses on maximizing space and efficiency, with features like high ceilings and dock doors designed for easy access by trucks. In the dance of logistics, warehouses keep the rhythm smooth and steady. Moving to a faster beat, factories are the industrial complex's salsa dancers: hot, fiery, and always in motion. These are where raw materials pirouette into finished products. Factories are equipped with heavy machinery and are often built to cater to specific manufacturing processes, from automobile assembly to food production. The layout and the location are heavily influenced by the operational workflow and the need for efficiency, safety, and environmental compliance. Finally, distribution centers are the swing dancers: dynamic, fast-paced, and central to supply chain logistics. These hubs are designed to handle product distribution efficiently, ensuring that products move quickly from suppliers to consumers. They are often located strategically to minimize transportation costs and maximize speed to market, featuring advanced logistics technology like automated sorting systems and robotics. As you explore these types, consider how each property type could complement your investment portfolio. Like choosing a dance partner, selecting the right type of industrial property involves understanding their unique traits and how they align with your investment strategy. Intrigued by how these properties work behind the scenes? Stick around, because next time we'll meet the key players who make the industrial real estate market dance to its tune. You will see just who calls the tunes in this intricate dance of steel and stone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more from ECMP Studios. Got questions? Or want to share your experiences with these industrial juggernauts? Comment below or reach out. We would love to hear from you. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay